This is my FOF 260 with a new heart transplant. The original one gave out. Now she has a new heart. Looks good.